Hi, I'm Tamas Szvet, an artist and a visual arts teacher at the Hsinchu County American School in Taiwan. This video is introducing part of my syllabus for the 2019-2020 academic year. For the fourth quarter, my assignments are focusing on the relationship between art and science, and they introduce the potential use of virtual reality in education. I inserted some of my student works into a time-lapse video, and if you find it interesting, please open the link attached so you can watch them in 360 view by using your phone. If you have a VR headset, you can also watch them by setting your phone into VR mode.